This is the AEKE Smart Home Gym K1. It is an AI-powered smart gym equipment with a 43 inches touchscreen. It uses data captured by the sensor and the camera here to assess your overall fitness level and also monitor your moves, then guide you through every step of the way with AI personalized plan and coach. This product also comes with a no monthly fee. You buy this product once and for all. If you're a person who really want to go to the gym but can't make it because of all the stuff happening in life, then this machine will help you a lot. Now this product will start crowdfunding soon. If you end up liking it after watching this video, you can head to the link down below to know more. First, let's see what packaging it comes with. As you can see, the box is a little bit overwhelming, but there's a clever design at the side and the bottom. You can twist these locks, then the box can be opened like a wrapping paper, so you don't need to remove the packaging from the top or the bottom. Then you can tilt the machine to one side to remove the foam from the other side. Now these are all the accessories here, such as the barbell, smart grips, smart scale, heart rate band, except the bench. This bench is also a very good one. There are 12 levels of adjustment and you can adjust them with just one hand from completely flat to 90 degrees. So you can do a lot of weight training or even do rolling. And it is said that it has been through serious tests to make sure it is safe to be used. It can also be fully folded so it does not take extra space at your home. If you do a lot of weight training, highly recommend you to get this one. The accessories can connect to the machine via Bluetooth. You can control the weight or unload the strength through the controller on the barbell. Lastly, there are wheels at the back so you can safely move the machine to the place you want it to be. So the whole machine is mainly made of aluminum, very light and durable. The bench is made of eco leather. It feels comfortable and sweat-proof. The screen has a 3-degree angle facing backward. It is more ergonomic to have a screen like this. One thing to note here is the speaker at both sides. The speakers are covered by fine cloth, a premium vibe I must say, and the sound is excellent. You can connect this device to your phone to have your own music playing loud and clear. The screen is 43 inches, 4K resolution. It is not only super bright, but also the colors are quite vibrant. It shows every detail of the texts and the movements very well. The screen is actually inside of a big mirror, as you can see. The benefit is that you can see your moves very clearly and there's a real coach in front of you giving you a guidance, cheer you up. At the lower part, there's a camera to be used for motion detection. We will talk about it later. The training pads are retractable and it is fully autonomous. With one click, the pads will fold themselves together. Look at that, it just saves a lot of space. It claims that it only takes 0.3 square meters when folded and 0.9 square meters fully unfolded. The pads also has grooves on them to prevent slipping. So overall, I think this machine has a perfect combo of everything, not just a screen, not just a training pad, and the sound system is really good. Now, let me show you how it works in real life. There are some steps when it comes to using this machine. They are creating your account on the machine with your phone, body assessment, course customization. Lastly, doing the workout with the AI and the coach. So when you first get this machine, you need to use the app to create your account. A quick scan will take you to the register process and it can be done very soon. Then in the app, you can also check your data and the workout record. As we mentioned earlier, AI has played a big role in the products, starting with the body assessment. The body assessments covering 6 dimensions using ACSM standards through a body element test, body shape test, flexibility test, and strength test, etc. The body element will test your body fat percentage, muscle percentage, bone density, basal metabolism, etc. For the test on the machine, the camera will check your shape in every body part to give you an overall score. Then the heart rate band, the AI camera, and the motor are working together to decide how flexible your body is, how balanced your limbs are, and the overall strength. Let's say you're dealing with 50 pounds of weight on both of your biceps, the faster you can finish one rep, or how steady you can finish them with both arms, or how well you can maintain a standard move. These all tells your physical strength level. I think this is the first time that we see such a full-scale test on such a home-use product, and I appreciate the test report here. As you can see, I've got a 61 points on my body flexibility, which means that I maybe need to do more on the flexibility workout, and maybe I can try yoga. So after the body assessment, you will see the customized plan based on your performance before. The plan is made by AEKE's professional sports science team and AI algorithm engine. your moves and your endurance level are being tested thoroughly, then a personal plan is made just for you. You don't need to read a lot of books or watch a lot of videos to make your plan. The machine has customized the plan just for you. The plan will be also put into a calendar, as you can see, for you to follow and execute. Now let's see what the courses are. There are cardio, weight training courses, Pilates, yoga, and even Qigong. Whether you want to lose fat, build muscle, or just to keep yourself in shape, there are plenty of courses to choose from. Now most of these courses have AI support. Let's try some weight-related courses. This will involve the bench and the smart intensity settings. It will monitor the weight you can manage, then change it if necessary. All right, I'm done. I haven't been going to the gym for a while. I can keep up the pace, but it has been intense for me. Compared to doing workout in real gym, it feels more private, hygienic, and you can focus more on the moves with the AI coach and data in front of you. Also, compared to some other smart home equipment or some in the gym, this one has me covered in all ways, such as the camera that helps with movement correction, number count, and the courses are more scientific. Now, a few things to highlight here. The first being the AI in the machine. There's a so-called AME Smart Motion Analysis. It is utilizing AI camera and 3D estimation and also a lot of data collected from real testers to analyze and predict your moves. It is very accurate. And it reminds you of everything right at the moment, both by voices and visuals on the screen. Then when you finish the body assessment, the AI will suggest the best courses with the best intensity for each type of workout based on your strength, your moves, and overall endurance. Whether you are a true beginner or a pro, you will know what kind of courses suit you the best. Seriously, when you are doing workout, you cannot fool the AI coach. If you don't follow, you will receive a notice immediately. But if you've done a good job, then you will get a thumbs up from the coach. And it just saves you a lot of money from hiring a personal coach, right? Then the motors inside the machine is called ASTM motor. It is very smooth. It says that it can provide resistance up to 220 pounds and even 1 pound adjustment, which means it can really help you achieve your goal from a beginner to a pro. The motor is smart enough to create 5 different modes to help you do workout better. It can replicate the real situation training with dumbbells or some other situations. This is quite smart. Anyway, there are some other workouts you can try, such as the Pilates, yoga, or even Qigong. Also, this machine supports up to 9 accounts in one machine, which means the whole family can use this machine. Saves a lot of money, isn't it? And there's a fun way to use the machine also, which is utilizing the camera to do sports with your friends. It will be a fun competition. Other accessories are also very well designed, like the grips here have a button to drop the resistance once you feel the weight is too much to handle. The barbell, other than being adjustable for different workouts, there's also the wireless unloader to protect you, just like the grips. There's also a safety setting here. Once the heart rate band detects unusual heartbeat or exhaustion, the machine will stop working immediately, which is very considerate and professional. Alright guys, I think I've covered basically everything about this AEKE Smart Home Gym K1. It is truly a revolutionary machine. There isn't any product quite like this on the market right now. Plus, there isn't a subscription fee every month. It saves you a lot of money from going to the gym, hiring a coach, etc. It is also very space saving. You can put it in your garage, living room, or even your office to create a private smart gym for yourself. So I would say this machine is made for those of you who really don't have much time to go to the gym after work, and it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or even a pro. With AI motion detection and sports science inside, you really have the equipment and coach in one place. This machine will start crowdfunding soon. If you are interested, check out the link down below to know more. This is Wolf from Gizmochina. See you next time.